Hello, my name is Andy Connell. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Food Division at Stancold.
I'm Dan Bartfield. I'm the Assistant Marketing Manager for the Food Projects Division here at Stancold.
Here at Stancold in the Food Division, we specialise in producing temperature-controlled environments, and we like to build these within the structure of an existing building, and the panel systems we use enable us to create a very bespoke and a very to-order size and shape.
So with different cold storage projects we work on for the UK's food and beverage industry, it could be that a producer is looking to repurpose an existing area of their facility to be a cold store environment, or it could be they've moved into an entirely new building and need to fit it out to be a cold store.
The predominant type of panel we use in the industry at the moment is a PIR panel. It's great for forming rigid self-supporting structures, and it comes with a variety of hygienic coatings because it has, by its very nature, an insulative property. We typically build our structures from PIR sandwich panels.
So our beginnings back in the 1940s were working with UK food and beverage producers to create cold store environments and manufacture cold store panels. So we've really kept up with all the technological innovations over those 75 plus years so that we can deliver the highest quality cold storage projects for the UK food and beverage industry.
So the critical thing for us is to understand what the client's requirements are, to understand their narrative journey so we can make sure that the products we're specifying for their build suit their needs. So that will be the panels, the associated equipment, any potential floor build-ups we'll be doing for a frozen environment, that kind of thing.
So we'll also work to understand your organization's future objectives so that we can tailor this cold storage project to meet those future plans and to work well with those future goals.
While our team will obviously build the structure, we work with a range of other specialist contractors in the industry, so we can provide things like refrigeration, we can provide edge protection at the top of very high structures, we can provide curbing, which protects the bottoms of your panels from reckless forklift drivers, and even floor build-ups and incredibly specialist things like super duper doors.
So a recent example is a savory goods producer we work with in Bodmin called upon us to take an existing area of their factory that was used for different types of storage and build a cold store out of it. So we were able to take the existing space available and create a cold storage environment that perfectly met their increased production needs.
One of the things that we need to take into account when we're looking at projects of this nature is how it is going to disrupt, or rather how it has the potential to disrupt clients' day-to-day operations on their site. It's not impossible to run a project like this on a live site, but ultimately it's about great communication between our team and the client's team, understanding the requirements, where we're allowed to go, where we're not allowed to go, understanding the working hours we need to comply to, and any important clean down aspects that follow on from where we're working.
So when a food or beverage producer works with Stancold on a cold storage fit out project, they'll receive a Stancold project manager that will be with them all the way from the start of the project to the final handover at site. So you'll have a single point of contact throughout the process that will keep you updated on any developments and be able to answer any question you may have throughout the project.
The greatest enemy to the successful outcome of any construction project is ambiguity. One of the things that we do here at Stancold is we carefully prepare all of the technical drawings required for the project. We give them to the clients in advance, and those documents, those drawings are signed off by the client so everybody else understands every aspect of the project and ultimately what we'll be building on site.
So if you need to take an existing building frame and turn it into a cold storage environment for your food and beverage products, give us a call. We'd love to work with you.